How can you scan the people who have followed you on Instagram? In this video, I will show everyone an extremely quick and effective way to do it. Let's get started with today's video. First, open the software or go to the Instagram website and click on the Scan Data tab. Next, get the links of those Instagram accounts and save them. Okay. Next, select the accounts you want to scan. Click Next and then click Start. The software will automatically open those Instagram accounts and scan the information from the links you entered. It won't take much time, it's very fast. There you go. You can see that the software has scanned and shown us all the people who have followed this account. It's a very quick and accurate method. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. In the next video, I'll show you how to automatically scan and follow the accounts we've just scanned.